If you are looking for quick, easy lemon desserts that are creamy, refreshing, delicious, low carb, and sugar free, then look no further because I have not one, but two recipes for you. Hello, everyone. I'm Deborah. Welcome to my kitchen where I am making healthier, nutritious versions of the things that we love. And today I've got two recipes. One is a refrigerated lemon mousse. And the second one, I've taken the same recipe and I froze it into a mold and not yet named this, you guys, but I'm thinking I am going to call this a lemon mousse bonbon because this is exactly what it looks like. And you guys, both of these recipes come together so quickly, so easily, and it's probably with ingredients that you have in your own refrigerator. Once again, sugar-free, gluten-free, and you guys, lemon is the star. And you know what the other main ingredient is? It is cottage cheese. That cottage cheese, again, it is just working its way through a lot of my recipes. I've done recipes with cottage cheese that are sweet as well as savory. And when I tell you that it just works, the flavor of the cottage cheese just disappears in these recipes. And because of it, you do have a healthier, more nutrient alternative to the regular recipes because, again, you are controlling the fat, you are controlling the carbs. So if you want to learn how to put all of this deliciousness together, then stick with me and I will show you how, starting with the crumble. In my mixing bowl, I already have my almond flour to it. I'm going to add my sweetener along with some melted butter. And this is our crumble. Combine all of the ingredients and this is ready. This is like a wet sand, which is exactly what we were looking for. Press it together, it holds together. And another thing that I like about an almond flour crust is that you can taste it, you guys. You can taste it for the sweet, you can taste it for the flavor. And if it needs anything, you can go ahead and put it in. Let's go ahead and set this aside, and then we are going to get into this filling. To my mixing bowl, we are going to add our smooth and creamy cottage cheese. And it got this way by taking the cottage cheese, putting it into my NutriBullet, blending it for a few seconds until all the curds were removed. And this is the consistency that we're left with. Next, our sour cream, sweetener, lemon juice, lemon zest, and combine until everything is well incorporated and smooth and creamy. To our mixing bowl, add in our heavy whipping cream and blend. All right, this is ready. Okay, now at this point, I am going to fold this heavy whip into our filling. Okay, this looks great. So what I'm going to do is I am going to set this in the fridge for a few minutes. And then when I come back, I am going to show you how to put these two desserts together. Okay, it is time to assemble these desserts. I've got my crumble here and I've got my delicious lemony filling here. Let's take a look at that. Oh my gosh. Try not to eat it, okay, before the desserts are ready. Let's set this aside. The two dessert containers that I am using today, this is like a candy mold that I purchased from Amazon. So this is the one I'm going to use for the frozen dessert. And the refrigerated dessert, I am using the 3-ounce mini dessert cups. All right. So the way I'm going to get this filling into these containers, the easiest way is to pipe it in. So I've got a cup here. I've got a Ziploc bag here. Set this down into the cup. Let's go ahead and set this aside so I have some more room. And I am going to proceed to pour some of this filling into this cup. And we have our piping bag. The only thing I need to do is to snip the corner off of this, and then we will be ready to assemble our desserts. For our mini dessert cups, I'm going to put a little of this crumble at the bottom. Then pipe in our filling. Just like that. And continue on with the rest. Okay, let's put a little bit of this lemon zest on top. And off to the fridge these go. When I come back, I'll show you how to put that together. Okay, and now for our frozen lemon mousse balls. In these containers, I've already put a little bit of the lemon zest at the bottom. Totally optional. And then I'm going to proceed to pipe some of this filling into each one of these molds. Let's just leave a little bit of room at the top to put some of the crumble. Now, for some of this crumble, okay, and just gently press that in so that it sticks to our filling. And then after these freeze, we will have a really nice effect. We'll have a little bit of filling along with a little bit of this crumble. So I'm going to continue on to do exactly the same thing with the rest of these. And then off to the freezer this goes. Time for the freezer. These are out of the freezer. So let's go ahead and unmold some of these. Look at that, you guys. We got a little of the lemon zest on top. So I'm going to continue to unmold some of these. And then when I come back, we are going to give this a taste. All right, you guys, welcome back. I had to go to the freezer to take these out because it is a really hot day. And it's time to give this deliciousness a taste. But before we do that, wasn't this super simple to put together? This definitely reminds me of my key lime pie bar, okay? The only difference is instead of lime, we are using lemon, and the presentation is different, you guys, but absolutely delicious. So without further ado, Lord, I thank you. One is as delicious as the other. Give them a try, you guys. And when you do, please do leave in the comments and let me know how you feel about it, including name that dessert. I would love to hear from you guys. I want to thank you all so very much for being here. And please do, if you enjoy this video, if you enjoy these recipes, please do give it a like and a share. And also do me the honor of subscribing to my channel and also share my channel with those that you feel would benefit from the recipes that I am bringing you here. And as I always say, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special, and enjoy.